Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tech Unlocked, where we are having smart conversations around smarter technologies. And I am Priya Dayalani. Now, today we are discussing a topic that's as unsettling as it is vital, that is AI in defense and modern warfare. Now, with the world watching the aftermath of Operation Sindoor and the escalating India Pakistan tensions, we are witnessing in real time how artificial intelligence is no longer just powering apps or ads, but how it is used in battlefields, tactics, and even national security outcomes. So let's break down how AI is being used in defense and modern warfare, and of course, what it means for the future of conflict. Now, one of the biggest game changers in defense is real time battlefield intelligence. AI can now process your drone feed, satellite images, and even intercepted communication at speeds that human can't match. In fact, during Operation Sindoor, India reportedly used AI driven image recognition to identify militant location and give them routes with highest precision. So, this type of decision intelligence has kind of become a new norm in modern warfare. Now, let's talk about the elephant or the drone in the room, that is autonomous weapons. Now, these weapons are drones or machines that can identify and kill targets without any human input. In recent conflicts from Eastern Europe to Middle East, we have seen how lethal these autonomous weapons can be and how they're changing the rules of engagement. However, the flip side of using them, or the biggest concern, is that one missed identification can cost lives of innocent, and there's no human finger on the trigger to stop it. Now, warfare isn't just about boot on the ground anymore. It's cyber grid versus cyber grid. AI now powers sophisticated defense systems that can detect cyber intrusions and malware in milliseconds. Moreover, as nations are investing in cutting edge and robust AI firewalls and threat detecting bots, the eventual goal is to secure financial systems, communication network, and even national infrastructure from digital warfare, something that we are seeing will ramp up globally. But here's the kicker, there are no international laws that govern the use of AI in wars. That's right, no Geneva Convention for algorithms. However, with machines making decisions on life and death, experts and watchdogs are calling for immediate policy action to draw ethical boundaries, especially with the risk of war escalation between nuclear states. The arms race isn't about missiles anymore. It's about data, automation, and precision AI. The country with the smartest code could win wars even before the first shot is fired. However, if we don't implement global guardrails, we might code ourselves into chaos. So, if this episode sparked some serious thoughts, good, that's the point. Make sure to subscribe to Tech Unlocked for more conversations around smarter technologies. And let us know in the comment section, do you think AI should have a say in the warfare, or are we going too far, too fast? Until next time, stay tuned.